Hi everyone, my name is Gwen. I'm the creator of this channel. Welcome! With me you can find cosmetic and cold process soap recipes and candle making process. Today I'm making a scented jelly for your cabinet, cupboard and or trash cans in order to neutralize bad odors while leaving a light aroma. Very easy to use. I place my little flower or other shape that I have made on a dish and place it in my wardrobe, my cupboard or even my toilet. I try using a small organza bag, but depending on the temperature, the jelly melts and can stand, so the cup or small bowl is my best option. The duration of use will depend on the size of your rooms and or furniture. Some fragrance soul last more and less long. In my toilet, I change jelly approximately every 2 months depending on the intensity of the odor, while I only replace those in my cabinet at the change of the season. It's also very easy to make. I will mix water and xanthan gum together with vegetal glycerin and the colorant. Then leave the mixture aside for a few minutes. It should take on a gelatinous texture which seems to thicken. I will add the fragrance oil and the conservative and mix then let aside again. If you want to add decoration to your mold like me, it will be the time to do so. When the mixture has completely set, I'll pour it into a mold or a cup. There is no need to wait with this recipe. You can use it directly or leave your fragrance a few days to fully soak into the gel. I leave you with the video. This is what it looks like in the end. For decoration, you can use small plastic or resin pieces, or make a small subject in gel beforehand, which will scent and melt like the rest of the recipe. I really like the result, and you, what do you think? For the labels, I'm gonna to use Canva. You can find my recipe and links in the description box. If you want to see similar recipe, you can find what you're looking for in my previous videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. You can find me here on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok if you have any question for me. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.